So you want to send pictures from your camera roll as a normal snap on Snapchat because maybe you want the receiver to only be able to see the picture once or twice. Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. All you need to do is to go ahead and follow up with me till the very end of this video, and let's jump right into it already. First, we need to get something out of the way. You need to go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on, and make sure you have the Snapchat app updated to the latest version for everything to work as properly or as good as possible. After that, you can finally go ahead and open your Snapchat app. Now from Snapchat, you can go ahead and swipe to the right side from these filters right here. As soon as you do that, you'll find this search icon at the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap on it, and in the top, go ahead and search for upload. So type in upload. You'll find a lot of upload features or filters, Go ahead and choose one. I'm going to choose the one at the top in the middle. Now from here, it will give you a pictures from your camera roll. Go ahead and tap the one that you want to send as a snap, and then go ahead and take the picture or the snap. Now from here, all you need to do is to tap on send to at the bottom right corner and choose the receiver, and go ahead and send that picture to them, and it will be sent as a snap. You can do that again from here, from your conversations. Open the conversation and then go ahead and tap on this snap icon at the right next to your keyboard, and then from here swipe to the right side again from your filters. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner, search for the filter right here that says upload. Again, the same one, choose anyone from here and do the same. Just select the picture, tap on it of course, and then go ahead and take the picture or the snap, and then just tap on send at the bottom right corner, and it will be sent as a snap, and you can only be seeing it once or twice. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Leave any questions you have in the comments, and I'll try to answer every single one of them. And don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.